Each role can be assigned a skill set, comprising of hard and soft skills. When assigning a skill to a role, the required level of the skill is set, as is the importance of the skill to the role. A skill's level and importance allows the same skill to be assigned to different roles, but to differentiate each role's skill requirements. For example, junior and senior roles may both share some key skills. But whereas for the junior role, the skill proficiency may be set as partially proficient and somewhat important to reflect their inexperience, the senior role would require someone with more knowledge and substantially more experience, so the same skill would be identified as very important and highly proficient. To assign a skill to a role, click on the role's skills icon. Click on Edit. For a skill to be assigned to a role, the skill must have been added to the same organizational unit as the role, or be an inherited skill. Refer to the skills tutorial for information on adding skills. For each listed skill, indicate the skill's importance to the role, and the proficiency level, by clicking on the chart. If a skill is not relevant, click on the bottom left of the chart to select None. Indicate if the skill should be self-assessed by the applicant, and/or by the recruiter, at the interview stage. Selecting the question mark option will leave the assessment decision to later. For each skill, set the skill requirement. Once all the role's skills have been set, click Save. OK. Exit to leave the skill requirements option. The number of skills currently assigned to a role is displayed in the Roles Skills column. When previewing, the role's assigned skills will be shown as a radar chart. The most important skill at the 1 o'clock position, and the least important at 12 o'clock. The next task will be to assign personality traits to the role.